Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Jackie Journey, Travel, Fashion and Lifestyles. In today's episode, I'm going to unbox another item that I have just received, which is behind me right here, LOEWE box. So today's episode, I'm going to make a haul video of the LOEWE t-shirts. It's oversized fit t-shirts with special details, which I'm gonna review it later in my video. And yeah, so you all might have seen the cover already. It's gonna be LOEWE t-shirt, and this t-shirt is not a normal t-shirt as I have reviewed in any other videos in my channel. It's gonna be special for sure when it comes to my channel, Jackie Journey, because I only unbox special t-shirts and special items that is rare to find. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and if you like my video, please share it to your YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, X, Facebook, whatsoever. Let's check it out what I've got here. So I have it here with me, LOEWE, very nice. Actually I have ordered this item on the internet, so I already ordered it online and it has arrived like a few days ago. So I'm going to actually it was in the delivery package, and they actually give this shopping bag within the delivery package. So I found that that is very nice, and it's very big compared to my body, you know, like maybe it's even bigger than me. You can see it, like I can actually hide myself behind this. Yeah, so it comes in a very nice, I'm going to put the video when I did the unboxing. I'm going to put it now alongside my review. And inside the box, you can actually take out another smaller box. And in this box, it has the LOEWE t-shirt inside this. So we are going to unbox it, and today we are going to style it and see how it would fit and why I decided to buy this item. It's very good lighting here in my video, thanks to the weather outside. Today is currently 25 Celsius in the Netherlands, so it's a perfect weather today. I should be going out soon after my review of the LOEWE t-shirt. And here I have the shirt with me right now. And here I have the t-shirt with me right now. So you can see it's nothing special, it's just a gray, slightly loose fit t-shirt. But if you look at on the side of the left sleeve, you actually have like the patches, you know, it's like extended versions. I think it's very special. Take a look closely, like you can see how nicely they have designed, how it's very thick. This part of the fabric is very thick, and I don't know, maybe it's like double layer and they glue it together, or maybe they stitch it together, but it feels really nice. So they have like 4 parts where it's like a patches of different parts of the t-shirt. They put it together like 1, 2nd, 3rd and 4th. I hope you can see the cutting detail here. So it looks like an unfinished effect of the t-shirt, you know. So overall it looks like a plain t-shirt with a little gimmick like here and here. So they have like on the left side you have these 2 like flaps, and on the right side you have 1 here, and that's it for the front part. But if you look on the back side, and here on the back side of the t-shirt they also have like a distorted effect on the t-shirt. When you look at the logo, the LOEWE logo, you can see that the L is moving a bit to the left side, and on the second patches it's more of like aligned to the right side. So it's giving the distorted effect on the shirt as well, and I think that's very cool. That's why I bought this LOEWE t-shirt, because I think it's special. And you know, it's not just a normal t-shirt, of course, but I would like to have something special when I bought it. So that's why I decided to buy this one. The price is quite pricey though, it's like 520 euros. I would say it's a little bit too much for the t-shirt, but for the quality, it's very nice quality t-shirt. And of course LOEWE, you know, it's like they focus on the quality, the premium quality of the product, like the fabrics, the embroidery, the stitching. You can see that they have done it very well. So I'm very happy that I got this t-shirt, and now I would like to styling it with my maybe black outfit that I'm wearing it right now. So I'll let you guys see and tell me what do you think about this LOEWE look. Yeah. So as I told you that this product comes in a very high premium quality, and I would like to focus on this part, like on the neck part, because it's giving very good, you know, like stretchy, like the elastic on the neck is very good. I felt like it's the softest t-shirt that I ever bought it, and for the rest of the fabrics it really feels, you know, like a thick cotton fabric. So this is how it look on me. You have the patches on the left side, the distorted patch also on the here. You have it here, 2 patches on the left side and 1 patch on the right side. I was thinking of it, you know, like maybe it could give more of special effects or like art school effects. It's a little bit like, you know, those Craig Green design. That's what come to my mind. And on the back side, you see the distorted LOEWE logo, which is, I think it's very cool as well to have that on the back side. So this is how I style it with my typical black pants. So you can see overall outfit, it would look like this. So let me know, y'all, let me know what you think about this 500 euro, 520 euro t-shirt, if it's worth it to buy it or if it's not worth it. Alright guys, I hope you like my video. If you like, please do subscribe to my channel down here below on the red buttons. And please like this video and comment. Let me know your thoughts about this LOEWE t-shirt, and please share this video to your friends, your family. So I hope you have a nice day. See you next time. Bye.